things that these guys went through and went back for more, you have no idea how challenging that is. For lack of a better word, how much balls it takes to do what they did.
Be true to yourself. The place is going to test your limits, and that's what Praia do Norte does. It can change your life, but be very respectful, and that's the heritage that Garret has left us through his work, and that all the Portuguese guys here have always felt and wanted to replicate. I think that's the future. That's what this day was today. A lot of respect, but pushing our limits and facing our fears.
Be true to yourself. Go out there for the right reasons. Big wave riders from all around the world came here and made history. They stood up to the challenge, and this guy, superhero.
Your 2016 champ of the Nazare Challenge, Mr. Jamie Mitchell.
Come on, everybody, come to Nazare.